Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. So here in this video we'll see how to remove duplicates in your Excel file. There might be many situations where you want unique fields or unique names, unique numbers to work on. So how to get those things? We'll have a case study here in the laptop and I'll make you understand what is the case and how to remove those duplicates from those Excel files. So let's go to the laptop here. So for example, I will give a case study here. There are some students, math students of a college, those who have come to the class and they have signed on the register. And the clerk, what he has done, just taken all the signatures into Excel based on the serial number of the signature rows. But here the principal wants that all the unique number of people, those who have attended maths class in the month of April. That means if a person has attended 2 to 3 times, it doesn't matter. Only his name, he wants all the students' name those who have attended maths class in the month of April. For that, the easiest thing is to have unique values of the names or to remove duplicates. For that, it's very easy. In Excel by default, you'll be in this home tab. So go to data. You can see here in the menu bar, there's something called data. Here, one option will be there, that is remove duplicates. So for that, you have to select this 2 rows and so select just remove duplicates. So it will ask like to delete duplicate value, select one or more column that contain duplicates. So my duplicates are there in names, not in serial number. So I'll press OK. So once I press, you can see 75 duplicates were there out of 90. That means there were hardly 15 students who have attended this maths class. Well, perhaps they would have attended 5 classes of maths in the month of April. So these are the unique values. I'll press undo now. Once again, I tell you, go to data, select the columns where duplicates are there, then remove duplicates. It will ask like which is the column where duplicates, which contain duplicates. Just select this or check this column and press OK. And it will show how many duplicates are found and removed. 15 unique values will get. So friends, I hope you knew how to remove duplicates in Excel. It's quite easy. I hope this video was quite useful for you in operating Excel in your workplace or wherever you want. So if you found this video useful, please like this video and please don't forget to share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very essential feature of Excel, very important one, so that they can make their work easy by using these features. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till the next video, keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.